You see, I just tired for this country, Nigeria. This country don't go. It don't. This country don't. I don't understand wetin this country be again. Imagine the kidnapping of students in Niger State. To the extent they say it's about 90 students. I don't know. Wey be say they don't kidnap them. They pay 70 million naira give bandits. Oh God. You know how much will be 70 million? This country just tire me. This country don't lose. This country don't just lose. I beg, anybody wey dey outside Nigeria, you kukuma dey where you dey. We wey be Igbo, abeg make una just free us, make we just separate from Nigeria. This country wey be Nigeria, e don tire me. How person go pay 70 million? No be only say they pay 70 million, they buy bike, about 7 bike abi wetin, give the bandits. Which kind rubbish? God, the thing too much. While we get police, we get army, we get navy, we get air force, we get all these security agencies wey dey help, wey be say they talk say na dem dey help, na dem dey safeguard the country, na dem dey save the country, na dem dey guide the country. Which kind rubbish be that one? Wetin dey come dey do? We dey spend much money. Abeg, this thing just tire me. If na Yahoo boy now, if they catch Yahoo boy, they go begin do, na there they show their muscle, na there they do anyhow, they go begin dey talk anyhow, they go say the Yahoo boy do this, the Yahoo boy do that. Whether na Yahoo boy, they fit just, if they see anybody wey carry car, they go just lay allegation on the person, say the person na Yahoo boy, or Yahoo girl, or Yahoo woman. Small time now, they go begin get Yahoo ghost. Our politicians, wetin they just dey do is to just stay there for the office, they chop money, they go just dey thief money. Either they talk say snake swallow the money, or python swallow am. Shark go even chop the money, pieces am. Cockroach go bite certificate or bite document. Sometimes they go tell you say fire don burn house. Which kind of rubbish be that one? Abeg Nigerian government, you una wey dey any political party wey una know, any house wey una dey, wey I no know na una sabi that one, whether you dey PDP or APC, APGA o, be it anything NDDC or anywhere. Abeg, make una just secure this country. Before una go know wetin dey happen now, guys go start to dey enter kidnapping business o. No be joke o. Na kidnapping business everybody fit start this time around. And abeg, una wey be bandits, abeg, wetin I wan beg una, una hear wetin dey happen for Pakistan, abi na wetin dey call am? All these Taliban. You know, una know wetin dey do? They no dey go to the poor masses. Na those people, una see as they go pursue their president comot, occupy their government house. Na wetin una suppose dey do. All these presidents, whether Buhari o, all those president and president dem pikin, senators, house of rep, house of assembly, all those people, governors, men na dey carry dem, dey kidnap dem. Na dem una suppose dey kidnap. Make una leave these poor people alone. Make una live with the poor people wey dey try to hustle, try to make money to feed ourselves. Those children wey una kidnap now, some of them, their parents cannot even feed them 3 times in a day. 2 times is even very difficult. Abeg, this country just tire me. I no know wetin I go talk again. People wey don dey talk, wey be say they get level pass me sef, they don dey talk. Nothing wey don happen. Which kind of rubbish be this one? Abeg, Buhari, Bubu, you better know wetin you dey do this country. This country dey your hand. You know wetin you dey do. Senate presidents, all these senators, una know wetin una take this country dey do. Una just carry this country dey play gambling. Which kind of rubbish be that one? Una know wetin una dey do. All this thing wey una dey plant, this tree wey una dey plant, e go soon germinate. If this thing wey una dey do, this thing go still affect una. I dey tell una, no go think say na joke. I don talk my own now. Make una just try settle this matter once and for all. Very soon now, e go begin dey affect una in one way or the other. Una go dey claim dey form boss. based on say una don get money, una children no dey Nigeria. Na una sabi o, one day monkey go market, e no go return o. I know why I dey talk this thing now. Boo, you better make una just divide this country. Oduduwa go on your own, Nigeria go on your own, Biafra go. Make this country dey, make everybody dey on im own. Which kind rubbish be all this one? Una just dey do anyhow. Abeg, make we just cancel this. I no wan make I dey hear this rubbish again. I know which kind gbege be this. Small time now, person go there for water, so go dey enter im eye. You get as e be now. Bandit, make una face this president, governors, all these people. Make una face them. Make una leave our ordinary citizens. Make una focus on all these people wey be say na them dey lead. Now wow, may God have mercy on us.